This is my intro. This is my intro.
What's up you guys, it's Alexa and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys some outfits wearing the same exact clothes as your favorite K-pop stars. I know some of you guys aren't really into K-pop, but there's no denying that Korean fashion is really trendy and pretty cool, right? I am partnering up with MixMix for this video. They are a Korean fashion-based shop and they are sponsoring and providing the clothes for these outfits. These clothes are worn by members from EXO, GOT7, Blackpink, etc. and etc. But yes, anyways, they do like MixMix stuff and they do wear their items. These are K-pop stars, like they have so much money. They could wear Gucci all day, every day, but the fact that they like to wear MixMix stuff and just like more affordable things that me and you can buy and not like a $2,000 Gucci sweater. Hey, they wore that, I can buy that. We're like wearing the same clothes. That's pretty cool. To be honest, the only K-pop group I actually listen to is BTS. So if I mispronounce some of your favorite members, I am so sorry. Don't at me because I am trying, okay? If you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next time that I post. I almost missed my hair flip. And with all that being said, let's jump right into the first outfit. Alright, so for the first outfit, we will be doing GOT7. I think if I didn't stand BTS so much, I think I would be a really big GOT7 fan. But I love BTS too much. I'm very loyal. The featured item is this plaid shirt, which was worn by Bam Bam of GOT7. He actually wore the red one. I just really liked the way they styled the tan one on the website, so I was like, oh, I just really want this tan one. And plus I already have way too many red flannel shirts. Also, by the way, Jackson is my bias of GOT7. Just want to throw that out there. For this outfit, I paired it with some low-rise jeans, my basic grommet belt that I use for literally every single outfit, and some black booties. You guys always ask where I get them from, but I got them at Shein.com. They should still have it. I'm just like all up on my floor. Next we have Blackpink, which a lot of you guys always put Blackpink in my comments. You guys want me to do a video based on them, which I might because I actually really like them. They are my favorite K-pop girl group. For sure. They're so cute, but they are really edgy and I just really vibe with their fashion sense. So for the featured item for Blackpink is this collared pleated dress worn by Rosé. Like it's meant to be. Hers is actually in the navy colorway. I picked the one in black because I just feel like I would wear that more often. They also have a baby blue and I think a light purple, which is really cool, which I was very tempted to get that, but I always gravitate towards black. Should we bring back popped collars, guys? I'm just kidding. Let's not. I'm going to put this down before I annoy myself even more. Personally, I feel like I still look like a tennis player, but I like it a lot. So if you think I look like a warehouse worker, come at me. I'm just kidding. Don't. Okay, so unfortunately MixMix told me that they have not gotten the chance to work with BTS yet, but because a lot of my subscribers are BTS fans, I asked them if I could just do some BTS inspired items and they said yes. So this item is inspired by Jin's oversized tan hoodie. You guys know if you've been watching my videos for a while now, every single haul I get either 1 or 2 oversized hoodies and I got 2 for this haul. That's just me, that's my MO, that's just my thing. But anyways, Jin's hoodie has lace up on the side. This one does not, it's just a plain hoodie, but it's still a pretty good basic hoodie. I'm really into the quality and it's soft on the inside and pretty thick material, which is very needed right now. I don't know why it's so windy right now. This ain't Chicago, it's not the windy city. Come on California, get it together, please. You guys already know me. I would normally just wear oversized hoodies without any pants, but Jin wore jeans with his oversized hoodie, so I had to copy that. I also just threw on some white tennis shoes and I did this with my shoelace. I usually just do this with Converse. Thought it would look cool on regular tennis shoes, but it doesn't really. But your girl was too lazy to untie them and retie them, so I just left it. The next group is Twice, and the girls from Twice wore the Hyde plaid skirt, which I got in a black colorway. I kind of wanted the one that the girls wore, but I'm glad that I got the black and white one because I was able to pair it with a lot of the items. I am so sorry if I'm mispronouncing their names, but the girls from Twice that wore this skirt is Taehyun and Sana. Did I say those right? I'm so sorry if I butchered them. Their style is very cute and girly and a little bit preppy. I actually have not seen them wear anything other than skirts. There's nothing wrong with that. I'm just saying, but do you, girl? If you guys could wear skirts all day and show off them legs, then girl, I wish I could do that. But I like to wear pants. So I paired this outfit with a black top, thigh-high, actually knee-high stockings, and these Zara boots. I added this little chain detail thing right here. Twice is very preppy and girly. Obviously, I don't think they would wear this kind of outfit. This is kind of like the style I would go for anyway, so that's why I styled it like this. Dying in the sweater, I need to get out of this. It is so hot. Next we have EXO, which by the way, EXO is swerving. Like they need to stay in their lane because they are coming for me. There was one point in time where I was just like scrolling through EXO this, EXO that. Like I was like, nope, nope, nope. I am so loyal to BTS. Why am I spending so much time looking at EXO stuff? The featured item for EXO is this Heart Club hoodie, which is worn by Kai, who is my bias of EXO. I adore him. He actually wore the yellow colorway, which I wanted to get that one only because he wore it, but I already have multiple yellow hoodies and sweatshirts. And surprisingly, Alexa, the girl that loves pink, does not have an oversized pink hoodie. Like, who am I? How do I not have one? Now this is the typical Alexa outfit, oversized hoodie with zero pants on. I've been really into layering striped turtlenecks or long sleeve things underneath oversized sweatshirts. It's nothing new, but I've just been into it lately. Forever never wearing any pants. Jacked up. Okay, Hyun-A, real quick. I knew like all of the groups that Mix was talking about except for Hyun-A, and I was like, who is this? So of course I looked her up because I needed to know more info about her and kind of like know who she was. Oh, I was so shocked that I dropped my notebook. I was like, oh my gosh, where have you been all my life, girl? Like she is amazing. Okay, she is a little smutty, and I said smut, S-M-U-T, not S-L-U-T. She is a little smutty and a little out there, but I love it so much. I am here for it. I am here for her. I am a fan. I love her. She is one bad bee. But yeah, so for Hyun-A's featured outfit, it is this white hide-and-seek tracksuit. I actually don't own any tracksuits, like a tracksuit pair. So this is my first one, and I am very happy because the high waist just hits it like perfectly. If you could gracefully just squat in heels, that should be a talent because it's kind of hard. I am really into this all white look. And last but not least, we have another inspired look from BTS. I had to end this video with my boys from BTS, of course. So the first item is this black and white striped shirt, which is inspired by Jimin's and Suga's outfits. It's a basic thick stripe black and white shirt, which I thought would be perfect to show you guys because a lot of BTS boys wear striped shirts like this. So I would not be able to do this Jimin outfit without my harness. So I definitely had to throw it on. You're going to prison, but make it fashion, right? And the other shirt is the same striped shirt, but just in a yellow and navy colorway. This one is inspired by Suga's outfit. His is black and yellow, and the sides have this chevron V stripe going down, you know, the sides. But I just want to include it in there anyways because it's pretty similar. Uh-oh, someone's looking very, very shiny. It's like 12 in the morning right now, so my skin is just like over it. Okay, so I always just gravitate towards my black jeans because black jeans go with everything. But I thought in my head, I was like, wait, you know what? These might actually look really cool with white jeans. So I threw them on, and you know what? I actually really ended up liking them with white jeans. So just like a random tip, if you feel like something's kind of like a little too crazy, I say just try it on anyways because you never know, you might end up liking it. I mean, these would have looked good with black jeans anyways, but I just felt like the white really made it pop and kind of just made it more fun and lively and just not as basic, I guess.
All of my niggas be bossy, all of my girls we flossy. All of my niggas be bossy, all of my girls we flossy. Make money, money, make money, money, money. Take money, money, take money, money, money.
with a nigga like me. I'm still a even though I'm doing my thing, and that don't change cause of TV. As long as my people, they love me, my baby some way. She telling me she missing me, but she love the hustle when dollars, the currency change. She not in love with finer things, switch the topic. She want island, sand, and beach. Not a problem, all of my be bossy. All of my girls be flossy. All of my bossy. All of my girls be flossy. All of my bossy. All of my girls be flossy. All of my bossy. All of my girls be flossy.
So that concludes my K-pop outfits video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give this video a big thumbs up to let me know that. Okay, so for the BTS fans out there, our goal for the DIY BTS video was to reach 30,000 likes, which we did. So thank you guys so much. I honestly could not have done it without you guys. The goal was to give away my Sugar Jacket, which I will be doing. However, I do have a surprise for all the other fans out there whose bias is maybe RM or Jungkook or Jin or any of the other 6 members. So definitely jump onto my Instagram and check out yesterday's post, aka Thursday's post. You guys can't miss it. It's honestly the only BTS related Instagram post. I will also put a link down in the description box. On that note, don't forget to check out MixMix website, which I will put down at the bottom as well. I believe that's it. I love you guys all so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
All of my girls, we flossing. All of my niggas, we bossing.